Hey there, friends and followers. This week's video is all about condo living. We'll give you the information that you need to know about these units and where to find them here in the Ocala area. Stay tuned. So yes, as always, welcome back. So as mentioned, condos. Now, short for condominium, a condo is a single unit within a multi-unit property, typically in the style of an apartment-style building, a freestanding home, or even a townhome. It can be one of many units in a shared structure like a high-rise building, or it can be in a much smaller walk-up type of setting in a building with only 2 or 3 units. Now, shared or common areas of condos are usually managed by a condo association. The association typically acts like a supervisor and sometimes hires on a property management company to handle maintenance, communication with residents, and other duties. As a condo owner, be prepared to pay for your own property taxes, utilities, and maintenance, and sometimes even exterior maintenance depending community to community. Associations can differ based on the requirements of that property. Some may impose additional fees, like for example, special assessments, which cover shared expenses such as unexpected building repair or new amenities provided by that community. With that being said, let's take a look at the few more popular condo areas here in the Ocala area. First up on the list, we have Bretton Woods. Now, located off of Northeast 25th Avenue and just off of Silver Springs Boulevard, this condo community was built in the early 70s and features 1-bed, 1-bath, 2-bed, 1-bath, and 2-bed, 2-bath units ranging from the smallest unit coming in at about 672 square foot and the largest topping out right around 1,100 square foot. Prices for these units started around $60,000 and cap out right around the $130K mark. Monthly fees for the association range depending on your unit size, but typically we see them fluctuate between $150 and $260 per month, and this covers maintenance to the exterior areas, common grounds, and pool area, along with trash, water, and various other management services. Now, this next area is so large that I'm actually going to cluster them together. Probably the most popular condo area here in Ocala, we find ourselves out in the Silver Spring Shores area, where we have the Fairway units, the Silver Down units, Twin Lakes Village, and Derby Down units, in addition to a few others. These condos are situated in and around the country club of the Silver Spring Shores, which houses an 18-hole golf course, shop, banquet hall, and full-service restaurant. The units we again see range from 1-bed, 1-bath up to 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and even a few 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom units. Build years range from the early 70s up to the mid-80s, and a few of these communities in particular accommodate 55 plus active adults only. Prices for these units we see start around the mid 70s and cap out around the $130,000 mark. The association fee for these units range in monthly payments from about $140 up to $230 depending on the community that you're in, and offer maintenance to ground and exteriors, recreational facilities, pools, trash, cable TV, and management services. Next on the list are the prestigious 302 Broadway units located just beyond downtown Ocala, surrounded by all the fun including farmers markets, shops, restaurants, and enjoyable nightlife. Previously a telephone communications building turned luxury condos, features to these unique units include 16-foot high ceilings, private balcony areas, rooftop access complete with grill and seating, and reserved parking spots, which makes commuting around downtown a breeze. Being offered in 1-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 2-bedroom, 2 bathroom units. Square footage for these units we see range from just over 1,000 square foot and top out right around 1,500 square foot. Prices for these condos we see typically offered beginning in the high 200s and cap out right around the high 300s, with association fees sitting at $300 monthly, and they cover exterior maintenance to the grounds and of course your pest control. And lastly on the list we have the Wind Chase townhomes of Fore Ranch. Now, as mentioned, townhomes are similar to condos, but differ in the sense that they may share a wall or adjoining dividing space with their neighbors, and additionally, they own the structure of the home itself and the property's surrounding land. Located off of one of Ocala's main lines, State Road 200, Fore Ranch is an actively involved community and conveniently located to shopping, retail, and nightlife activities. These units we see offered in 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath, and 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, and range in size from just over 1,100 square foot and cap out just shy of 1,600 square foot. Build dates we see from the early 2000s, and prices start at the mid 100s and cap out around the low 200s. Now, association fees for these units start around $200 monthly and provides your exterior maintenance, management services, security, and best of all, upkeep and servicing to Fore Ranch's recreational facilities, which include community pools, fitness centers, and sports courts. Buying into any of these units can be a great way to dive into home ownership without having to worry about the upkeep and maintenance that comes along with a single family home. Well, there you have it, friends. That is some general information on condo units and where to find them here in the Ocala area. Hopefully you guys were able to take away a little bit of value from this video. If you have any questions or would like any further information on this or anything else regarding residential real estate here in the area, drop a comment below, shoot me off a message. Slide on over to the page to stay up to date when great videos like this are released by liking and subscribing. As always, thanks for tuning in and checking them out. We'll catch you guys on the next one.